What's up everybody, and welcome back to Coasters and Coasters. Today is a day of fond farewells. We're starting with what is probably our last walk of the tram route. So let's bop on into Disneyland. If you're enjoying these videos of us going all around the LA area to theme parks and eateries, make sure to subscribe. We have so many fun plans coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up. So, as I mentioned, this is probably our last time walking the tram route. I think we're only days away from the trams being in full rotation again. We're really excited because this is our first year even having any type of pass. So we don't know what it's like to ride the trams in and out of the park. So we're pretty excited to experience that. But at the same time, I think we're gonna miss this a little bit. I know that's not a popular opinion, but we actually kind of like the extra steps we get in. We kind of call it Disney Gym because we get a pretty good workout when we come to the parks. But last time, we'll enjoy it. So Isaac, you gonna miss this walk?
I'm definitely gonna miss this walk. I really like walking this. I think I've mentioned it in videos before. It's about like 3/4 of a mile or a mile from where you park to the gate. So that's like a lot of good exercise, but also when we've come to the park in recent years for vacations, we usually stay at a hotel nearby and then walk around on like Catella to get to the entrance. So I don't remember the last time I've even ridden the tram. Maybe when I was a kid, maybe back in school days. I don't know, but I'll definitely miss it. First things first, we need a little bit more coffee today. Feeling a little tired, so we're gonna hit Downtown Disney Starbucks and grab an iced coffee.
Yeah, so what'd you get?
I got a iced coffee with oat milk, and they have this newish syrup. I think they came out with it around Christmas time, but it's sugar cookie syrup. So I just get half the amount of that with oat milk and the iced coffee. Really delicious sweet treat.
Ooh la la. Should we get into the park?
Yeah. Oh, and it's also like, it's way better than any iced coffee you can get in the park. Pro tip.
So as I mentioned earlier, this is a day of fond farewells. We're here in Toontown to say goodbye for now. They're getting ready to do a huge renovation reimagining project in a couple weeks. And so this area of Toontown is going to be closed for quite a while. So we thought we would just bop in here today and go on a ride or two and just say goodbye.
Behind me is where City Hall was and Daisy's Diner. It's all boarded up because they've been doing a ton of construction on the new ride. We're super pumped to see what it's like.
One thing I know I'm gonna miss is Gadget's Go Coaster. It is a really fun little roller coaster, so I think we should go get in line.
Man, that was so much fun. It's such a fun little roller coaster, but it can be pretty intense, especially if you're sitting in the back row. We got one more ride to hit in Toontown. Let's head over to Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin. Almost forgot the name of it. Okay, let's go.
We are going to miss Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin, but we're excited to see what happens. They've already made a couple changes to the story. We're wondering if they're going to make more. We'll just have to wait and find out. Haven't been in here for a long time. I didn't know you even fit up here. I know they're planning to change a lot about this place, but I hope they keep some of this small charm. Chippendale's Treehouse is so adorable. I mean, us adults barely fit up it, but it's worth the trek.
So we love coming to Toontown. I really love the Gag Factory. It's fun to just kind of clown around, maybe get some good Instagram pictures. What's your favorite part of Toontown? And also, what are you hopeful for with the new change? Put it in the comments below.
As much as we love Toontown and we're going to miss it, we're even more excited to see what they do with this area. We really can't wait. And until we see you here next time, we just want to say cheers.